A very good afternoon. I am Dr. Kirti Nahar, consultant gynecologist at Apollo Hospitals, Ahmedabad. I would like to share with you my experience that whenever a patient comes in OPD and she is second time pregnant, she is confused and apprehensive as her first pregnancy was difficult. There were some complications. She is either working, there is nobody to look after the baby, and she doesn't want to go through it all over again. Many a times, patient and her husband don't want second pregnancy at all. They are happy with one child and they want to go for medical termination of pregnancy. So let's talk with one of my patient, Tanya Saraf, who has recently delivered with us, and let's see what was her reaction when she came to know that she is pregnant, how she coped with it, and her overall experience in second time pregnancy. Tanya, she has just delivered with us by cesarean 15 days back. So Tanya, I would like to ask you a few questions.
Okay.
So what was your experience as a second time mom this time?
Second time process was comparatively very smooth from the first one. In the first one, you have many questions, you have many dilemmas and everything.
Okay.
But for the second one, you get a little prepared. For me, it was a little difficult on the initial phase also.
Okay.
Because it was a very early second pregnancy.
Mhm.
So I had called you for the concern and I was like, hey, it is too early. I don't think I can do it right now. You were like, take a deep breath for 2 hours and come see me and then we'll decide what we have to do. Okay, I took a deep breath. I talked to my husband, I talked to my family members, and then we went to see the doctor. We came to see you. And you were like, see, it's the right time, there's no problem, you're physically also fine. Seeing all the scenarios, and you were like, it is good if you take it right now. If you want the second one, it is a very right moment to do it.
Yeah.
So don't give a second thought to that. Be happy, stay happy, and everything will be fine. So after talking to you, I got a little confidence. My husband also got the confidence. We then mutually decided, okay, let's go for it. And then we came.
And the whole pregnancy was smooth one?
Yes, it was very smooth.
And you got support from your family?
Yes, this is the family. Initially, we asked them only, is it fine or it is not?
Yeah.
So, but they were more concerned for the health rather than the baby.
Okay.
When you gave the go for the health issue, then everything went on very nicely. There was no issue.
Okay.
In fact, the health issues for the first one were more difficult. For the second one, since we were prepared more, so it was very smooth and very nicely done.
Okay.